naniniwala po ba kayo na magiging billion-dollar industry ang network marketing gaya ng ibang industry?
Well, this is a very good question because to a lot of people, let me again reiterate and tell you, ang networking sa panahon ngayon is already a billion-dollar industry. The latest survey that I had, this was about 4 years ago, 2010. Ang networking is about $350 billion industry already. So, I think the better question here should be, naniniwala po ba kayo na magiging trillion-dollar industry ang
So
network
malito,
marketing?
malito.
Oo, nalito kasi at the rate that we are going right now, networking in the whole world is already a billion-dollar industry.
Already.
In the Philippines, it's the same because hindi lang naman AIM Global ang networking company. There are a lot of multinational companies as well.
Yes.
Giant sa industriya na ang benta billion-billion. Sa Pilipinas, it's already a multi-billion peso industry. And there was a lot of prediction in the past, especially bago magkaroon ng economic change or economic challenge ng Amerika, being the economic, siya po yung tinatawag na superpower, the only superpower in terms of economy and military speaking, Amerika na lang ang nagganon. Prior to the recession in the States, there was a prediction that the network marketing industry will hit the trillion-dollar mark bago nagkaroon ng recession. So, pinredict po na bago mag-2017, predict na between 2015 to 2017, may hit na ng networking ang trillion-dollar mark.
So, sir, parang hindi to small time.
Hindi small time kasi...
O, sikuin mo, katabi mo, huwag mong sikuin mo.
small time.
Dito yung small time business mo.
Yeah.
Diba?
And if ipag-aaralan ng maraming tao, Roy, ang statistics sa Amerika, kaya natin model ang Amerika because America being an economic superpower, maganda yung economy nila, very robust kung tawagin. Alam nyo, karamihan ng self-made millionaire sa Amerika ngayon, galing sa industriya ng network marketing.
Ito yung mga future self-made millionaire.
Wala rin pupunta. Itong mga taong to, ito rin na magiging self-made millionaire sa Pilipinas one day.
Tama eh.
Kaya,
so malito, dapat trillion.
Trillion. The
Trillion.
better question should be, magiging trillion-dollar industry. Because we're already more than 300 billion right now, dollars. So in just a matter of time, magiging trillion na to. At I'm sure kasama kayo doon sa pagsabog ng industriyang ito.
Ganda ng tanong.